Okay, we're back here at Lamar Place for a tour of D209. And you know, if you hear water in the background, that's because the swimming pool is right below your front balcony. And there are stairs that lead conveniently down to it and to the parking lot. I love the location of this particular apartment home. So walking in the front door, you can't help but notice that the kitchen is amazing. It's been platinum upgraded, which means it has granite countertops. It has all stainless steel appliances, including a dishwasher. It has the new backsplash, the brushed nickel hardware, a deep sink there. It even has LED lighting to help you save money on your electric bill. Huge living room. This is the Daniel 2-bed, 1 patio floor plan with 814 square feet. It also has washer dryer connections in the hallway. Moving in this left door, this is your first big bedroom. It has a patio off the back side. Has a big closet. This is a platinum upgraded bathroom with granite countertops, new cabinetry, all new hardware, super clean. Over here is a smart thermostat that you can control with your phone remotely. And then another platinum upgraded bathroom to go along with the first one. Oh, here is a set of cabinets in the hallway for more storage. And then the second bedroom with a couple of windows back here and another closet. So this is Daniel 2-bed, 1 patio floor plan. It is apartment home number D209 at Lamar Place. And we would love to help you make this your new home. So come see us. Thanks.